How to add car business leads from Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets automatically. So assume that you are running some ads for your car related business and for which you have also created a Facebook lead ad form, and now you want that whenever a new lead is captured for your car business, that lead details should be added automatically to Google Sheets. So if you also want to learn how you can automate this process, then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the page I have created for a car related business, and again this is just for a testing purpose, and I have also created a Facebook lead ad form. And the idea here is, as soon as someone will submit this form, a car service brochure will be sent on their email automatically. And here I want that whenever someone submit this lead ad form, that lead should be added automatically to my Google Sheets. Okay, currently I am collecting only 3 basic details from my form, that is the name of the lead, the phone number and the email address. Okay, you can customize this Facebook lead ad form as per your requirement, and further you can collect those details in your Google Sheets. Okay, now to automate this whole process, we will have to build an integration, build a connection in this Facebook lead ad form application and Google Sheets application, and I am going to build this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as add car business leads from Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. Okay, now I'll select the folder in which I would like to create this workflow. So I'm selecting this main workflows, now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. So this is how you need to always select your application in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so now according to our use case, I want that whenever any new lead is captured from my Facebook lead ad form application, then automatically collect that lead in Google Sheets application. Okay, so in this way I am selecting both the application in the trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is, firstly I will connect to Facebook lead ad application with Pabbly Connect and will capture all the lead details, and then I will connect to Pabbly Connect with the Google Sheets and will add the details here. Okay, so according to my use case, I have selected the trigger event and the action event in both the application. Okay, so now let us first connect to Facebook lead ads with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so clicking on connect, then I'll click on add a new connection, clicking on connect with Facebook lead ads, and then it will ask you to provide the access of your Facebook account. But because I'm already logged in my Facebook account, so the authorization will be successful directly and my Facebook lead ad will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. And because we are connected, here you can notice whatever the pages are available inside my Facebook account have started visible here. So I am going to select which page in which I have created my form. Okay, so the name of my page is car portal. Okay, so I am copying this particular name and let me paste the same here. Alright, so this is my page, and as soon as I select the page, all the lead generation form associated with this page will be visible here. Okay, so let me show you the same. This is my Facebook account. Let me click on this Meta Business Suite, and then I'll click on this All Tools section from the left hand sidebar, and after that I will directly click on the Instant Form section. Okay, in the last you will find Instant Forms, and here you can notice my form is, I'm really sorry, not a form, my page is selected already, and in this page there are 2 lead ad forms available, that is this car portal service form, and this car portal, and I guess I have selected this specific form. Okay, let me show you the same. All right, clicking on this arrow button, give me a second, and yes, it is the same form. Okay, so I hope you have understood that why these two form names are visible here. Okay, give me a second, let me once again check this. Alright, so I will be selecting this specific form. Alright, it has got selected. Now as soon as I click on this button, you will notice that it will start waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so firstly read the instructions, log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new lead via our Facebook lead ad form. Okay, so I'm going to perform the same, but because I'm not running any live advertisement, so in order to generate a dummy lead, I'm going to use the Facebook lead ad testing tool. Okay, so I would recommend you to kindly read these instructions carefully and also visit this documentation, because from here only you will be able to see the Facebook lead ad testing tool. Okay, so the link is provided here. All right, so this is the link, and all the instructions are also given in this documentation. Okay, so in this way you can actually open this Facebook lead ad as testing tool. Okay, for now I am closing this particular page so that I can show you everything from scratch. Okay, so you just need to search for your page. All right, so I am searching for the same, that is car portal, and after that you will be able to notice both the forms as well. Okay, so I will be selecting this form. Now finally I'll click on this preview form button, and from here only I am going to provide some details. Okay, so the full name of the person, assume that the full name is dummy user, and here I will add some dummy phone number, something like this. Okay, so here my objective is just to show you how automations can be created, so that is why I am not running any live advertisement and I am working with the dummy data only. Okay, so give me a second, let me provide a 10-digit dummy number here. All right, so I have provided the details. Clicking on this next button, all right, it is saying there is an error. Okay, give me a second, let me click on this next button once again. Well, the country code is already added, so I will have to remove it from here. Now I'll click on this button. Okay, give me a second. Alright, so finally I have provided a 10-digit number, clicking on submit, and as soon as a submission is successful here, you will notice that the same details will be received here as a webhook response. Okay, so here you can notice the response is received. Now I'll show you the details one by one, so you can notice that this is the same name, the same phone number, the same email address. We also have the date and time. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Facebook lead ad and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time a new lead is captured via that Facebook lead ad form, the details of that lead will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture the incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to collect these details in Google Sheets, that too in real time, automatically and instantly. Okay, so the application is already selected. Now I will click on connect, clicking on add a new connection, and then it will ask you to provide the access of your Google Sheets account. But because I have provided this access multiple times, so I'm going to reuse those existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way my Google Sheets account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And if you want, you can also use the existing connection, but the condition is in the first time you will have to provide the access. Okay, so here you can notice, because we are connected, whatever the spreadsheets are available in my Google Sheets account have started visible here. So I'm going to select which specific spreadsheet. Alright, so the name of my spreadsheet is car business leads. Okay, let me select the same, and in this sheet also, because I have a single sheet only, so it will be selected automatically. And as soon as the sheets will be selected here, whatever the columns I have created here here, the same columns will be fetched and be visible as a field. Here you can notice lead name, lead email and the phone number, and here also lead name, lead email and phone number. Okay, so in this way, with the help of Pabbly Connect, we can insert the data directly to Google Sheets. Okay, but now you tell me from where I'm going to provide the details. Remember, we have already captured the data as a response of our first step of our trigger step. Okay, and the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy these details and paste below again and again. Okay, I'm going to map these details, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, simply select that data, and in this way the name will be mapped, the details will be mapped. Okay, and in the same way I'm going to map other details also. But you must be thinking that what is this mapping? Okay, so whatever the details I'm mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time in next time. Okay, I'm repeating this thing once again, that whatever the details we are selecting here manually or from the drop down will remain same, but the details which we have provided via mapping will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. So this is the power of mapping, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation. Now I am clicking on this button, save and send test request, and as soon as I do that, a positive response is received. That means my data is added to my Google Sheets. Here you can notice the data is actually added, that too automatically and in real time. Let me first correct the formatting. Okay, so in this way, now onwards, as soon as someone is going to submit your Facebook lead ad form, which you have specifically connected with the Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect, the detail of that person will be captured in this Google Sheets automatically and in real time. And to automate this whole process, you need to create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, and Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same two-step workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.